Hi, I'm Max, a student here at Star Prep Academy, and we're going to be making a 3D printer in our tech lab class. And our friends over at RepRap was kind enough to give us a Sanguino Lulu board for us to use for our 3D printer that we're going to make. We're going to print the parts that we can, and we figured that would be the best way to learn all the components, the parts, and how to look through the different components of the 3D printers so we can have more experience. And they gave us our USB port, our 12-volt power supply for the motor controllers, pretty much everything that we need to get started. And we will send you guys a picture in a second of when we started this stuff up.